guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would truly help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is a new story titled Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. Host, it's time for a new mission. So it's kind of system, huh? I'm Chu Yan. Ooh, pretty girl. I'm a transmigration agent. The one speaking to me is my dedicated system, 7. System pa rin siya. Hmm. In my original world, due to an accident, I became vegetative. Parang yung previous story. I need to navigate through worlds of various levels, complete task issues by the system, and earn points. Once I reach the goal of 100 million points, I can return to my original world and awaken from the vegetative state. Not ba siya na-aksidente previous life? What kind of person is the original host of this time? In this world, the original host has been infatuated with her husband, Fu Tingchuan. Despite marrying him as she wished, she developed depression due to his long-standing emotional abuse. Ay, kawawa naman ang ating bida. After being provoked by his mistress, she resorted to medication and attempted suicide. Oh, poor girl. Yeah, poor girl. So how will you avenge her? She actually killed herself because of these scumbags. Oh my gosh. By the way, 7, what is the mission in this world? Oh, so per world may mission siyang dapat ma-reach. You need to fulfill the original host wishes. Okay, what's the wish of the original host? Firstly, make her husband Fu Tingchuan regret his actions. Secondly, help her attain genuine love and be cherished and cared for by someone. So kailangan niya makahanap ng partner sa story na to. Yan yung si ex-husband. Hanap siya ng bagong partner. Upon completing this mission, you'll be rewarded with 1 million points. Please give it your best effort. Oh, if you reach 1 million point, it means 100 million pala yun. Let's get a divorce. At Fu Tingchuan's place. I'll handle both the Fu family and the Chu family. Fu Tingchuan. We'll just say we've been married for so long without being able to conceive a child. Ay, grabe siya. Nakainis yung mga ganyang lalaki, Unable to conceive a child? Chuyan. Ang ganda naman pala ni Chuyan, eh. Bakit ayaw ni Boy? Are you suggesting I undergo parthenogenesis? Ano ba yan? All on my own? During our year of marriage, this man hasn't even touched the original host. Now, in order to marry the other woman, he's actually come up with such shameless reason for divorce? So walang nangyari sa kanila for a year of marriage. Instead, puro pa emotional abuse. It's truly outrageous and eye-opening. Ay, nakakainis ng lalaking to. So what do you want in order to agree to a divorce? I'll give you the Norma District apartment as part of the divorce settlement. Pinahulog pa, di man lang inabot ng maayos. I can offer you up to 3 million in cash, but don't get too greedy. Tapos 3 million lang yung ibibigay mo. With all those emotional abuse, tapos may mistress ka pa. Deal, I'll sign the divorce contract right now. Pumayag siya ka? Just like that, wasn't she secretly in love with me for many years? Ay, kala mo lang yun. Well, never mind. It's better if she doesn't cry or make a scene, so I don't have to waste time on her. Yun naman pala eh. Next work week, we'll go to the Civil Affairs Bureau to process the formal divorce procedures. Finally, I can be together with Jenning officially. Ganun ba? So sa mistress talaga siya pupunta. She and I can openly date in the sunlight. In such a hurry to leave, she's probably going to meet the mistress and share the good news with her. Pathetic. Host, What do we do next? Let's start by moving out. So, lilipat siya. Oo nga, sa apartment binigay, di ba? Then I'll change into different clothes and see Fu Tiangxun's mistress. I won't let the scumbag and the mistress live their happy life. Oo nga naman. Gaya nga sinabi ni Heart Evangelista, I'll be with you forever. Nova Club. Host, according to the information, this club operates on a membership system. Non-members aren't allowed in. If you want to enter, you can purchase a temporary membership card from the store using points. Doon sa kanya, sa bibilhin na naman, same pa rin sa mga system, no, system story. No need, I can find a temporary diet. I only have 9 million points now, and the goal is to stay still so far away from me. I will spend them recklessly. So, 100 million, tapos 9 million pa lang yung points niya. Ang dami niya pang system na dadaanan. Someone's approaching. Ooh, pogi. This guy is quite exceptional. He's the one. Aba, namili ka talaga ng i-date mo, ha? Face and hunk. Ay. Oh, buti na lang nagka-break pa. Sa bagay, hindi naman niya ilalagay yung buhay niya sa alanganin. Ano na nga siya sa previous, sa ano niya sa original life niya. Rises. Pretty niya talaga, no? Parang siyang sa AI's Revenge na tsura niya. Your car hit me. Huh? Are you sure? Sir, I'm not asking for compensation. Just take me to a Nova Club, and that's enough. Seeing him up close makes him even more handsome. Am I magnanimous enough? Boss, number siya kuya. Move. Pushes. Natulak pa talaga siya. At iniwan. He actually rejected me? Yep, he does. Beautiful lady. Did I hear you say you want to enter Nova Club? Let me take you in, okay? Sounds good. Anyway, marami naman dyan. At isa na yun. Di makakapasok pa rin siya sa Nova Club. Let's see what will happen. Makikita niya kaya si Mr. Fu? Beautiful. Come to my box. Stay for a while. Pushes open. Host, this happens to be the box Fu Tingchuan Reserve long term. Ooh, what a coincidence. Fu Tingchuan is indeed here. Tapos ginagastos niya lang sa babae niya, tapos may asawa. Grabe. The server by his side is likely his mistress. Yes. Aba, innocent look, pero ang totoo, demonyita pala. Bai Jianing, a third-year college student from a poor background, started working at Nova Club 3 months ago to earn money for her living expenses and her mother's medical bills. Ay, paawa effect. She looks delicate and fragile. The information says Fu Tingchuan has had heroic dreams since childhood, so it's no wonder he likes her. Mm, may mga hidden ano pa siya. Fantasy. Host, what are you planning to do? Stir up that couple a bit. Ay, exciting. Ano kayang gagawin nila? Anong gagawin niya? Why is she here? What are you doing here? Stalking me is pointless. Even if you cause a big scene, our divorce is already set. Looks. You think I'm here to catch you in the act? Don't worry, I'm here to have fun. It's actually you who may be a problem. Treat me like a stranger. Don't tell anyone that I am your wife. Otherwise, ang kabito. Your mistress might get jealous and angry. Ting Chuan, who is this? You don't need to worry about her. Just go do your job now. I'll go to you later. Ting Chuan, I'm sorry. Did I interrupt you? You didn't do anything wrong. No need to apologize. Did she really do nothing wrong? Uh-oh, here he strikes. Seducing a married man and being a mistress, yet that's not considered wrong? Tama. Don't talk nonsense. Janning isn't a mistress. Who? Yeah, ano siya? Between her and me, everything is clean and pure. We've never done anything. Wow. So by your logic, as long as you haven't done the last step, it's not considered cheating? Sa level niya, ganun. I understand now. I'll strictly follow your standards. Hmm? Si ano yung nasa car na lalaki. Siya yun, di ba? Yep, he's the one. Since he's conveniently here and he catches my eye, I'll let him help me cheat on Fu Tiangshuan. Hi. Oh no, si snobbish na naman. Huh? O diba ang bilis ng reflex ni kuya mo? Bakit ganon? Galit-galit agad? Di pa pwedeng why mo na, who you? O diba? O ano ka ngayon, Fu? Kala mo ha? Kala mo ikaw lang yung lalaki sa mundo? O diba? Huwag ka siya, hindi yan nag-cheat kasi wala naman silang ginagawa. And that's the end of this first chapter. See you in the next one. It's so exciting. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.